Hey babe, if you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. Please be kind enough to like this video and also subscribe to my channel before you continue watching. And if you're an OG, thank you guys so much for coming back to watch today's video. So as you guys can see from the title, we're going to be doing a basic babe, no foundation, no lashes makeup. This takes me literally less than 20 minutes to do, especially when I'm in a hurry. So if you want to see how I achieve this basic babe makeup, then definitely keep on watching. Not me thinking my audio was on and wasn't on. Thank God I clocked so quickly. But the first thing I'm using is my Elegant Pro Concealer in Chestnut. So if you want a full coverage, I would say go in with a brush, and this is the Real Techniques Satin Brush in 402. If you don't want so much of a full coverage, then I would say go in with the Beauty Blender, and this is also the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I also like to blend the concealer on my eyelids just to cancel any darkness on my eyelids and for, you know, everything to ram all together. So now I'm gonna blend my forehead. I always conceal my forehead because I don't feel like I've got a big forehead anyways, but regardless, I like to conceal my forehead. And now I'm just gonna blend out my nose. So next I'm gonna use my Revolution Conceal and Define in C12.5, and this is the second concealer just to brighten the under eye. I mean, we're not using foundation or anything like that, but I still want a bright under eye. And this is where I'm gonna use my blending sponge, because I typically don't want the under eye to be full coverage. So now I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender just to blend everything together. This smells really weird. This is my first time using this Beauty Blender. Of course I use Real Techniques Beauty Blender, but this one smells really weird. I think because it's still new and this is my first time using it. Guys, are you supposed to wash this before using? Because all I did was just put water and that was it, but I didn't bother washing with any soap or anything like that. But let me know in the comment section if I'm supposed to wash this with soap before using it, because it smells really weird. So I'm pretty much done with my under eye. So now I'm going to contour with the Fast Base Stick Foundation in F18. Guys, I've had this for the longest time. I purposely bought this because I feel like this is like the darkest contour shade for me. And I don't contour like, I don't do like a hard contour or anything like that. I literally just do the bare minimum. And I go in with this brush from BH Cosmetics, and I just, you know, lightly contour my face. Like I said, I don't do anything crazy because this is like a no foundation makeup, and it's supposed to, like, you know, take you just what, 15 minutes to do. So obviously we don't want to do anything crazy. And whatever is remaining, I just use it to contour my nose. If you're an OG on this channel, you know that I'm always saying that I really love my nose. Like, I feel like my nose are perfect. But yeah, so it doesn't need too much work, just a little bit is fine. Yeah, now listen, I'm a blush babe, and if you're an OG on this channel, you know that I don't use any other thing apart from this ColourPop lipstick in Click. This is a matte lipstick. I don't really use on my lips anymore, so I tried it one day on my cheeks and I'm like, oh my god, this looks so banging. So this is literally what I use, and what I typically do is I just, you know, rub it on what's it called, on this brush, because I don't really like to put it directly on my face. So I just put it on this brush, and then I use it to, like, you know, I use it on my face. Okay guys, I can't speak. So I just do it lightly, yeah, I'm gonna put some on my forehead as well. Then I'm gonna blend it together properly. I typically like to contour first before going in with my blush, so that everything will be really seamless. So if you see me looking down, I've got another mirror here and I've got a mirror here, so yeah, but this mirror is like a lot closer to me, so I feel like this is a bit too much, guys, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. You don't worry, we'll make it work. I'm gonna use the beauty blender that I previously used before, just to blend everything together. And obviously decrease a bit from the, because I think I used a bit too much. I went overboard. Guys, I went overboard with this. And of course, once I use my powder, you know, everything is gonna come together. So guys, to set my under eye, I'm going in with this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I have not used it since forever. Ever since I started using the Laura Mercier one, I haven't reached out for this, but I just want to use this one today, because sometimes I have a love and a hate relationship with this. Like, I really like this, but at the same time, I feel like it's a bit too orangey for me. So the Laura Mercier one that I use is in honey, but I am running out, so I'm just gonna use this one today. And because I'm not really going anywhere, I'm practically just showing you guys my makeup routine. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Oh my god, I need to start using this back again, like literally. I've literally forgotten how good this is, but at the same time, I just really like the Laura Mercier one, you know, you never know what you have until you lose it. And I've still got a bit of this, so yeah, this looks so good. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I'm so gassed right now. Like, I need to start using this. I need to start using it again. Can you guys see this? Like, can you see this? Are you dumb? Like, can you see this powder? Listen, so now I'm just going to use my powder all over my face. I usually bronze as well, but I'm not going to bronze today because we're trying to keep it bare minimum. And I feel like because of my the contour and the blush, you know, it makes my face bronzed already, so I'm not going to use any bronzer. I'm just powdering my face now, and literally we're done. Like, it's that, like, listen, when I told you that this is like a 15-minute makeup, like, I was not kidding. Like, well, of course, if you're drawing your brows, it's gonna take a bit longer, but I did not draw my brows. And yeah, did I say we're done? No, we've still got lipstick as well. So yeah. But typically, this is what, can you guys see that everything, you know, looks really good together, like, after blending? But yeah, so now I'm just gonna set my face with the Quick Fix XX Revolution setting spray. I like to shower in my setting spray, okay? Ooh. So I'm just waiting for my face to dry, but I'm gonna, you know, do my lips. I'm a gloss babe any day, anytime. So I'm using the Maybelline Lifter gloss in Stone 008. This is my OG lip gloss, like, you know, always coming through for me. Like, do you see the vision? I love this lip gloss, and I need to restock as well. But just look at the shade together, like the black, the brown, and the lip gloss. Oh, Lord have mercy. Listen. Anyway, so I've got, like, you know, some moles on my face, and I'm just going to use this eyeliner to bring it back to life. So babes, this is the completed look. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. This is like so perfect, so easy if you're going to uni, if you're going to work, if you're running errands and you don't want to do too much. This is literally the perfect look. This is my go-to look when I'm rushing, and saves me every time. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more looks from me, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, don't forget to like, okay? Don't forget to like. Anyways, I'll see you, my babes, in the next video, because I really want to see you in the next video. Until then, stay easy, stay breezy, stay beautiful. Bye.